In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok on X. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to switch its tone, and how to write prompts that get great results. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to x.com. Using a modern, up-to-date browser will give you the smoothest experience. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're on a secure connection and signed into the correct account you want to use with Grok. If you're not signed in yet, you'll be prompted to do so. Grok is available to accounts with an active Premium or Premium Plus subscription. Sign in with your credentials and confirm that your subscription is active. If you're unsure about your status, you can check your account settings after logging in. Without an active subscription, the Grok interface won't appear, so this step is essential before moving forward. After you're signed in, look to the left sidebar navigation on X. There you'll find the Grok icon. Click it to open the Grok interface. It may take a moment to load the first time. If you don't see the icon, refresh the page, confirm you're on desktop or a supported browser, and verify that your subscription is active on this account. Once it opens, you're in the right place to start chatting. At the top of the Grok interface, you can switch between regular mode and fun mode. Regular mode keeps responses clear and traditionally formatted, great for research, summaries, or professional tasks. Fun mode adds a witty, sometimes sarcastic tone, which can make brainstorming or lighthearted exploration more entertaining. Choose the mode that suits your goal for the conversation. You can toggle between them at any time, so don't hesitate to switch if you want a different style. Now move to the text input bar at the bottom of the screen. Type your request or question, then press enter to submit. Be as specific as you can, set context, include key details, and state the output you want. For example, try summarize today's top tech headlines in 3 concise bullet style lines, or draft a friendly reply to a customer asking about shipping delays. If the answer isn't quite right, refine your prompt, add constraints like length, tone, or audience, and ask follow-up questions. Grok remembers the context within the chat, so building on the conversation will usually improve results. That's it. Open X, sign in with Premium or Premium Plus, click the Grok icon, choose your mode, and submit a clear prompt. Enjoy exploring what Grok can do for you.